Welcome to Proven Strategies for Sourcing High-Quality Products and Negotiating the Best Deals, your go-to resource for mastering the art of supplier sourcing and negotiation in the e-commerce realm. In this episode, we'll delve into effective strategies that will help you find high-quality products and secure favorable deals with suppliers, setting the foundation for success in your Amazon business. The importance of sourcing high-quality products. Understanding the significance of sourcing high-quality products is essential. Customer satisfaction. High-quality products lead to satisfied customers, positive reviews, and repeat purchases. Brand reputation. Consistently offering quality products builds trust and credibility for your brand. Strategies for sourcing high-quality products. Let's explore strategies for sourcing products that meet your quality standards. Vetted suppliers. Partner with reputable suppliers who prioritize quality control and compliance with industry standards. Product sampling. Request product samples from potential suppliers to evaluate quality before making bulk purchases. Supplier audits. Conduct on-site visits or audits to assess the supplier's manufacturing processes, facilities, and quality management systems. Effective negotiation tactics. Negotiating the best deals with suppliers requires finesse and strategy. Establish clear objectives. Define your goals and desired outcomes before entering into negotiations with suppliers. Research and preparation. Gather information about market prices, industry standards, and competitors' deals to inform your negotiation strategy. Building rapport. Establish a positive relationship with suppliers based on mutual respect and trust, fostering open communication and cooperation. Negotiation techniques. Let's delve into specific negotiation techniques to secure favorable terms. Anchor pricing. Start negotiations with a reasonable anchor price based on market research, allowing room for concessions. Bundle offers. Propose bundled offers or larger order quantities to negotiate lower unit prices or additional perks. Leverage competition. Highlight competitive offers from other suppliers to create leverage and incentivize better deals. Win-win solutions. Strive for win-win outcomes that benefit both parties. Long-term partnerships. Emphasize the potential for long-term collaboration and growth opportunities, fostering a mutually beneficial partnership. Contractual agreements. Formalize agreements with clear terms and conditions to ensure accountability and mitigate risks for both parties. As you navigate the complexities of sourcing high-quality products and negotiating the best deals, remember to prioritize transparency, communication, and fairness in your interactions with suppliers. By implementing the proven strategies discussed in this episode, you can build strong supplier relationships, maintain product quality standards, and drive success in your Amazon business. Thank you for tuning in to Proven Strategies for Sourcing High-Quality Products and Negotiating the Best Deals. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.